Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a successful trader? Today we're exploring 10 essential tips that every beginner trader should know. We'll demystify the world of trading and help you navigate it with confidence. First on the list is understanding the basics. Trading isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the market, the assets you're trading, and the strategies you're using. So before you dive in, ensure you have a solid foundation. Next, set clear goals. What do you hope to achieve with your trading? Are you looking for quick profits or long-term investments? Having clear goals will guide your trading decisions and keep you focused. Thirdly, remember that risk management is key. Trading is inherently risky, but you can mitigate these risks. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Fourth, do your research. Stay informed about current events and market trends that could impact your trades. The more you know, the better your trading decisions will be. Fifth, practice patience. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't rush your decisions and don't let emotions get in the way of your trading plan. Sixth, start small. As a beginner, it's better to start with a small investment and gradually increase your position as you gain confidence and experience. Seventh, keep a trading journal. This is a great way to track your trades, your strategies, and your results. It will help you analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. Eighth, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Use them to improve your trading skills and strategies. Ninth, stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan and avoid making impulsive decisions. Discipline is key to long-term success in trading. Finally, commit to continuous learning. The world of trading is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay updated with new trends, strategies, and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it. 10 essential tips for beginner traders. From understanding the basics to committing to continuous learning, these tips will help you navigate the world of trading with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and never stop learning. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy trading!